So it's the 2nd of May, taking the Friday off. Parked up at Seafoy campsite overnight. And that lovely man there, Tim, he's just told us to park the car and lift the cameras and everything. Now we're heading up to well, towards Sprinkling Tarn, but I'm not camping there tonight. The aim is to try and get up to Allen Crag, which has been on my list for literally 18 months. But it's an absolutely glorious day, and really looking forward to it. I'm literally going to take my time getting up there because it is absolutely scorching. Forecast a clear night, which is the reason why I planned it today. So hopefully we're going to get a good sunset and hopefully a good sunrise. So I'll check in with you later. I've just stayed in Sprinkling Tarn. To be honest, I thought it would be massively packed, but it's not. There's literally I'm the only person here, I think. I mean, I'll find out tonight when we see the lights, but I pitched right on top of a mound overlooking probably about 100 metres down to the Tarn, but got a nice 4G signal in there. See a better sunset up here. The views are absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely. So I'll give you a tour around the tent later because it's the first outing for the Taihang 2, and I'll tell you why I chose that particular tent. Let's go have some nice glass of Rioja and then put some food on. Bailey's absolutely knackered, I'm glad. I will literally drag him everywhere today. I came up to Sprinkling Tarn and I know there's lots of other tarns here, and I didn't realise how far it went. I almost walked back of myself to see for it. It felt like that anyway. So many spots down that end, but this is definitely the spot. I'm going to what 3 words it for future reference, I think. video of the tent later, and then get something to eat, and hopefully it looks very clear to get some cracking pictures of the sunset. And the good thing about this spot actually is in the morning I'm probably about an hour and 20 minutes from the car. I'm right literally on the path that goes down the gill again, so it is the best spot. Against my better judgment, I didn't think I was going to come here today, but yeah, I'm absolutely made up. So look how stunning this place is. That's sprinkling Tarn, down the valley where the car is. Up that way, sort of Allen Crags, where I was meant to go today, but couldn't make it. Tent, and then over to Gables. Okay, give you a tour of the tent. There's Bailey, some of his water. So this is the 3FUL Taihang 2. Now I love 3FUL. I've got the Lanshan 2, which I absolutely love. And some of you are going to think I'm absolutely barking mad with this, but I've actually sold my Foul Raven Abisko 1 to buy this tent. Now I love the Foul Raven. It's absolutely bomb proof. I've had it out in all conditions, but it was just too small, especially when I've got Bailey with me. And I wanted something with more room. I wanted a tunnel tent, and I was looking at the Abisko 2, but the price is just crazy at the moment. And then I saw the Taihang 2 come out, and thought I'll sell the Abisko 1, buy this tent and upgrade my sleeping bag and still have money spare. This is literally £130 delivered. It's a tunnel tent. It's a 3FUL there. Just modified it slightly. I've got a ground sheet in the porch, loads of space in the porch for cooking. And then you can see inside there, it's absolutely massive. It's a palace. There are some drawbacks, lack of pockets, there's only one hook. The front door zips down, it hangs like that, it doesn't zip to one side, but you know what, I can live with that. And it was really quite windy earlier, and just didn't move it at all. I've got delta pegs on that side because that's where the wind's going to come overnight. But yeah, it's low profile, it's a big footprint, but actually I've squeezed it in some tight spot there today between all the rocks and everything, so yeah, made up with it. Tonight will be the first night I've slept in it, so I'll feed back in the morning. But yeah, this place is gorgeous, sprinkling Tarn. Didn't really mean to camp here tonight. I was supposed to go over to Allen Crags, but it was just so hot, and my legs were absolutely, or my knees were absolutely aching when I got to the top of the gill. So I thought I'll have a look here, and there's nobody here. I thought it would be absolutely packed. They even see freight car park, and the campsite's quiet down the bottom, and yet it's a bank holiday. I expected it to be really chocker. I mean, somebody might come tonight, you never know, but at the moment I've literally got it to myself. So yeah, made up with that tent, so quick to pitch. Morning. Well, it is cold this morning. Had a really good night's sleep. Love the new sleeping bag. I mean, you could say it's overkill having the OEX Leviathan. I was so toasting warm. It probably got down to about 0 degrees last night. I know Bailey was shivering a little bit, I had to cover him up. Yeah, made up with the room. gonna get some porridge on the go, and then hopefully get packed up in the next 30 minutes is the plan. Probably need another cup actually, so I can have a coffee and porridge at the same time. But yeah, no, made up. Sun's just about to come out. It's the only fault I think with the tent last night is I should have really pitched it so the back end was in the wind, because it has pushed onto the inner a little bit. But it's dry. But I think a bit more of a gap would have been better. So note for future time with a tunnel tent is suddenly the back of it needs to be in with the wind, which can restrict, I guess, your viewpoint from your porch, but the fact you can open your porch on both sides gives you a bit of flexibility. So get something to eat, something to drink, get packed up, and then get down. I can just about to see the sun coming out now, which is great, on time, 4 to 6, and I'll catch you on the way down.